Welcome back to the Abundant Harvest Homestead. This morning involved a successful deer harvest, but we've also got a ton of meat chickens that we need to be harvesting right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you just how to butcher a chicken using the skinning method. So this is not with the hot water to pluck them. This is with skinning them. And I'm going to walk you through this hopefully kind of quickly, simply, easily. And some of my children are rather skilled in it, so easy a child could do it. I'll let them kind of show what's up. I will say as well, we're just walking through how to turn a chicken, a live chicken, these happen to be meat birds, into something edible. We're just going through the process. If you're not wanting to see the process, then this is not a video for you. It's going to be a little graphic, but it's kind of part of how life works, so be warned.
I guess. Right?
You got your table already?
Yes, sir.
All right, they'll be coming your way shortly. We'll use what they call the kill cones to decapitate them. Some people just cut through part way. We don't mind just cutting off the whole head. And then we have some baler twine back there that we put them on next so we can hang a couple, wait for them to kind of get through their death thralls. If you've heard the old saying, like a chicken with its head cut off, they will wiggle for quite a bit. So we kind of hang them up there so they can't get away from us. And then once they settle down, we'll turn them over to our table, where Red Pepper here will show you how to skin it and how to take the things out of it, right? And we like to use some of the other parts, the gizzards, the hearts, stuff like that. If you see with some of our children, we do have a number of nice aprons like Red Pepper and Bugger have, but if you look at this one, that's just a couple of grocery bags, isn't it, child? She got herself a plastic apron just out of some plastic bags from the store. So if you live somewhere where plastic bags are not illegal, you could use them for a purpose like this before recycling them, and to keep your clothes real nice, right?
Yeah.
That's smart. I like that.
On the low point.
Good idea. Child, could you explain to me the basic process, what you're going to do?
Okay, so first I like to take off the legs. I mean the feet here. Are we going to keep the feet or no?
We'll keep them for broth.
put this in a bowl. Put it in the blue bowl. Okay, and then I like to start right in between the breast and cut this open.
So you're cutting an opening into the bird.
And meat chickens are way easier to skin than yard birds.
Okay. And what she's going to do is pretty much peel it like a banana. I'm going to get close for you guys. If you can see her popping through there. The breast is already fully exposed. She's taking off the leg right now. And she's just pulling that off. Now there is times we'll pluck them too. But today we decided to skin them. Because sometimes that's quicker. So if you look, the breast is already open. That whole drumstick is good. And she's just going to keep working her way through.
Now I'm going to go ahead and cut these wings off.
You have to cut the wings off? The whole wings?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I'm just going to... I think at least. I could try to skin them. Okay.
I'd go to at least that first segment.
Yeah. Oh my. Oh my.
Can we get one of the bowls, maybe this little one here is a rinse bowl? Maybe put some water in there. So if we gotta rinse our hands or rinse something off, we can. Yeah, on the yard bird, sometimes we just trim the wings off. These guys got some pretty big ones. That's probably all my cilantro. These guys annihilated my cilantro recently.
Oh boy.
Went from a big old patch to like nothing left.
You want me to give it a second and then take out another one? Or?
If you got room to hang them. If there's no more room, then we won't. Cooler ready?
Is the cooler ready?
Cooler's ready.
Alright.
Hey, Bub.
Yeah?
I'll grab one of these big old things. Grab one. Grab one. Some of these birds are humongous, like this guy.
Good. So then at this point, we've got them skinned, and she's going to show you how to do that inside. There's a poop. How to take care of everything in there, but it's already skinned. I cut these off at kind of the first part of the wings. There's its crop full of everything it's been munching on today. We didn't feed them, but they've been free ranging, so they found a bunch of acorns and other stuff to eat.
Good. I'm about done with this chicken.
So one of my little ones run in and get a wash rag so we can wipe some of this stuff periodically? Is this yours, son?
Yes,
Or you got one?
Oh, I got one.
Thank you.
Bring the sharpener out and come back.
Sharpener too.
Keep it that way. And then
I love sharp knives.
okay. So I like to flip them over and go right in between here. Right below the bone here.
You're at the back end of the chicken and you're just cutting open that area, right?
Tiny bit cut, and then I rip it the rest of it.
Okay, and then children have a good sized hand for creatures like this. They can reach in there and get all those guts out. The only thing we really got to watch for is if we tear open stuff and a bunch of nasty stuff gets out, or if we pop the gallbladder that is on the liver, right? Mm-hmm. All right, she's going to pull it out and we'll show you the good parts we like.
And you have to watch out for this crazy pouch up here.
Oh, yeah, you don't want to pop open the
Mine's popped
crop.
open, but yeah. Okay, so here's the gizzard. It's connected to this crop.
We like to cut those up, clean them out on the inside. Maybe, child, do you want to do that if she cuts it open for you? You know how to do gizzards?
Shoot, that's
And we like to cut them up and then can them and have them for like giblets and gravy. You doing okay over there, son?
what in
Yes, sir.
What was it eating?
looks like a toy.
So she cuts it open and they've got an inside membrane that
Okay.
can be removed after we empty it. And we'll peel that off and then the rest
Yeah,
we like to use.
Pull all that off. Really carefully until it shows white. Okay, and then right here's the liver, and here is the gallbladder. And you don't want to pop that because people say it gives your meat a bad taste. Here is the liver. Oh my, hold on. Right here. So, can you put this in? Let me hit it.
That bowl, that part. Liver first.
Okay. And then here is the heart. And then it comes out right here where the butt is, and you're just going to cut right by that bone. And sometimes the poop does come out, but I like to pull it away quickly so none gets on the meat. Okay, and then you have to get the lungs out. And here's the lungs. That's one lung. Alright, and then grab all your stuff there and throw it in here and put that in the bowl where I put the hearts. Oh, you're in the chicken room. This one?
Yeah, that one doesn't sharpen. Because all the stuff is already grained up. And bring back two more stuff.
I don't know if y'all can see them. But the lungs are right around here. So you're just going to pull those out. And then this chicken is done. Okay, so now your chicken is ready to go to get used. You can put it in your oven, you know, do whatever you want with it. Ours are gonna go in our smokehouse.
So we're gonna rinse that and we're gonna drop it in a big cooler of cold water, let it chill there, and then we'll season them and get into the smokehouse shortly. Monster Truck, come grab this one to go rinse it.
Yes,
set that down on the table and help him.
I'm going to do the next one. Hey Belle, I have another gizzard for you.
And around here, once we get those beautiful empty skinned chickens, so we just hit them with some seasoning and put them in the smokehouse. I can smoke such a pile of these at once. Right now there's already 10 in there, and we got quite a few to go on this load. But it's just that simple, so easy a child could do it.
Yes, sir.
We'll see you next time. Papa out.
Dill peppers out.